Hello and welcome to our brand new video on our SageMax channel. My name is Michael Muller, and in this video you will learn everything about our highly aesthetic multi-zirconium oxide NextCR Plus Multi 2.0. First, let's take a look at the history of NextCR Plus Multi and examine its evolution into NextCR Plus Multi 2.0. I will focus on the product features that have been improved compared to the previous version and the distinctive characteristics of NextCR Plus Multi 2.0. Of course, I will also go into more detail about the composition and show you the aesthetic results that can be realized with this product. Enough said, now I wish you a lot of fun watching the video. First, let's take a look at the past. NextCR Plus Multi dates back to 2019, when the product was first introduced at IDEAS. Even at that time, it was considered highly aesthetic and innovative due to the unique combination of two different types of zirconium oxide. Despite its advanced properties, some areas of improvement became apparent over the years. For example, some shade deviations from the Vita Shade Guide were detected for certain shades, and the limited range of shades and thicknesses also posed a challenge. After the successful launch of NextCR Multi in 2021 and the insights gained from its development, it was decided to completely overhaul NextCR Plus Multi. In the process, the insights and advancements of the past years were to be utilized to develop one of SageMax's most aesthetic zirconia materials. The result of this extensive development is NextCR Plus Multi 2.0, a product that combines the experiences and innovations of the last decade. With improved properties and an extended range of shades and thicknesses, NextCR Plus Multi 2.0 sets new standards and opens up new possibilities for achieving aesthetic results of the highest quality. Next, I would like to give you a brief overview of the advancements and new features that have been incorporated compared to the predecessor NextCR Plus Multi. Firstly, improved shade matching. The shade formulation has been entirely revised and improved to obtain an accurate shade match with the Vita AD Shade Guide. Secondly, improved progression of shade and translucency. The shade and translucency progression has been optimized and adjusted to that of NextCR Multi. Thirdly, the extended range of shades. NextCR Plus Multi 2.0 is now available in 16 AD and 4 bleach shades, offering an even greater selection for matching the shade to the specific requirements of the individual situation. Fourthly, the extended range of thicknesses. NextCR Plus Multi 2.0 is now available in thicknesses of 14, 16, and 20 millimeters to provide for more flexible applications. Fifthly, improved handling. The disc now features a plastic ring that assists users in inserting and securing the disc in the milling machine without tension, thus facilitating the handling procedure. With these improvements and innovations, NextCR Plus Multi 2.0 is the ideal choice for anyone who demands the highest standards of aesthetics and quality. Next, I will explain the material composition and disc structure of NextCR Plus Multi 2.0 in more detail. Like its predecessor, NextCR Plus Multi, NextCR Plus Multi 2.0 consists of two different zirconia materials. The medium translucent zirconia type 4 YTZP with an average flexural strength of 850 megapascals and an average translucency of 45%. And the high translucent zirconia type 5 YTZP with an average flexural strength of 650 megapascals and an average translucency of 49%. Only this unique combination of two different zirconia materials makes it possible to achieve a genuine progression of translucency with a natural appearance. By the way, if you would like to learn more about the different types of zirconia materials and their properties, have a look in the video description, where you can find a link to the NextCRT Multi video, which explains in more detail the different types of materials. Besides this special combination of raw materials, the structure of the disc and the method used to fill the powders into the shape-giving matrix play a decisive role. For this process, we were able to utilize the experiences gained during the development of the new filler technology for NextCRT Multi and adopt this technology for NextCR Plus Multi 2.0. With this method, the zirconium oxide powders are not layered on top of each other, but filled into the matrix using a special speed time protocol and subsequently pressed. This process can be controlled with such precision that it produces an absolute consistent progression. Detailed information on this technology can also be found in the NextCRT Multi video. Here you can see the exact structure of the NextCR Plus Multi 2.0 discs. As already mentioned, the concept was adopted from NextCRT Multi. The incisal area has always a height of 3 mm, regardless of the thickness of the disc, and consists of the high translucent zirconium oxide 5YT ZP. The transition area, where the two zirconia materials gradually blend, always measures 4 mm. The strength decreases in this area from the dentin to the incisal region, while the translucency increases. The dentin area varies depending on the disc thickness and is made of the medium translucent 4YTZP zirconium. The special composition and innovative disc structure result in a truly natural progression of shade and translucency. This enables the fabrication of highly aesthetic, monolithic, single-tooth and bridge restorations in the anterior and posterior regions. The shade formulation was exceptionally important for the enhancement of NextCR Plus Multi 2.0. The objective was to develop shades that are reproducible and match the most commonly used shade guides as closely as possible. The AD shades were developed according to the AD shade guide from Vita, while the bleach shades were created using the bleach shade guide from Ivoclar. The result of this extensive shade development is 20 brilliant shades with very high shade accuracy. NextCR Plus Multi 2.0 features a plastic ring made of thermoplastic polyamide that is attached to the zirconium disc with a special adhesive. The usage of this plastic ring provides several benefits. The ring facilitates easy and secure clamping in the collet, reduces the risk of stress cracks in the disc resulting from over-tightening the screws, and reduces micro-vibrations, leading to an improved milling result. Furthermore, the plastic ring features a notch that simplifies repositioning of the disc in the holder. As usual, you will find all product-related information on the side of the box, such as the article number, the batch number, the link to the electronic instructions for use, the shade, and the GS1 code. In the box, you will also find an information sheet with the detailed disc structure and the standard sintering program. By the way, the sintering program has not changed compared to the previous disc version. You will find further programs for sintering and speed sintering in the instructions for use on our website sagemax.com. On the disc itself, you will find the shrinkage factor as well as the batch number. Further information on the shrinkage factor or the conversion to other factors can be found in the video link in the video description. Finally, I would like to show you some impressions of the aesthetic properties of this material. At this point, I will say goodbye to you. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, click the like button and subscribe to our channel, and we will surely see each other again very soon.